Nandito na tayo sa north side, kabababa lang natin pero kanina pa itong event na to. Shoutout kay Sir Dren. Maraming salamat for the invitation. Well, this is my first time to attend north side and it's crazy guys. Solid yung meat. Tapos meron pa doon, mamaya we'll check yung ibang kotse doon. Wow! Of course, shoutout kay Sir Allen of ESC. Tapos may mga dumarating. Solid. Nice event. Tapos may mga BM. Gaganda. Okay. So ito yung mga idol natin. Of course, si Pongkan. But nandito rin. Grabe, sobrang saya. Lalo na pag nandito kayong lahat. Tapos this is, ito yung iba't ibang kotse. So this is first meet na natin na from north side. So I'm not sure kung talaga lahat sila taga north, pero most of them. Oh, ayan, nandito na Sir Erwin. Tapos mayroon pa pala dun. So hindi ko lang alam kung buong basement sakop nila. Of course may mga Audi TT. Nice. Solid. Very nice event. Tapos meron pa dito. Uy guys, old school oh. Ano guys, so Toyota Corona. Oo, tama. Ganda oh. Shoutout sa old schooler Caviteño. Very nice. Solid na eh. Nice. Grabe. Yung kay Sir Ryan, dito pala siya. Sa ganda ng Yaris. Very nice. Guys, nalulula ako sa dami ng magagandang kotse. Yan, may mga Mazda. Ito yung nakikita natin oh. Ito pala yun, yung nilalight natin. Diba? Solid oh. Nice. Nakita rin kita in person. Ito, gandang very nice. Tapos ayun yung Toyota ni Sir. Ayan. Toyota. Solid yung event. Nice. Congratulations to the whole team of Northside. Congratulations guys for a very successful event. Ayan guys, shoot natin itong mga to. May mga B. Hello po. Ganda ng Euro na Corolla. Civic. Hello boss. Basta po. Solid oh. Oh man. Solid to. Nice. Gaganda ng mga Mazda 6. Yun of course oh. Sir Lloyd oh. Sino? Ay! Guys, the vibes here is like you're in Japan. Ano, basement parking. O tara, punta tayo dun. Shoutout sa Neogen Performance. So ito. Nice. Solid. Guys, alam nyo kahit mainit, busog naman kayo sa mga nakikita nyong auto. Oh, ganda oh. Diba? Solid nito. Ay, Kisser din. Ah. Guys, of course, become legendary. Long time no see. Parang miss kita. Solid, grabe. Oh. Ito pala. Guys, may GTR. Oh. Ganda nito. Guys, ito yung dream, one of our dream car, the FK8. Ay, FL5, sorry pala. Very nice. Ganda nito. Ibang klase. Wow. Very nice. Guys, kukulangin yung battery ko dito. Ito yung kay sir. Shoutout sa Brio Elite. Grabe. Solid. Dito, okay, may mamimiss tayo mga kotse. Yan, itong mga solid. Nag-BM, oh. Hello po. Sir, solid, ah. Solid meat? First time?
Oh, first time.
First time, oh.
Nakuli ko yung November eh.
November ba?
Oo, November boss.
Solid.
Yung ako noon, yun yung may palaro.
Ah, okay.
Ako,
Yeah.
bumagsak pa lang.
Oo nga pala.
Ako ulit-ulit eh.
Solid. Grabe. Parang ka nasa Japan, no, sir?
Oo. Net may nga lang, net may.
Yes, sir. Mainit lang. Sir, saan lang pwede ma-follow?
Ha?
Saan pwede ma-follow?
Sa akin?
No.
Ako na po sa ano lang, Facebook lang.
Facebook lang?
Facebook lang, oo.
Ano Facebook?
Facebook. Kahit makareg lang kung gusto nyo tumambay.
Oh, guys, alam nyo ba kung nasa ng kotse niyan? Asan ang kotse mo, sir?
Ito nga pa. Parang, ito yan.
Diba? Oh, guys, so ito, lagi natin nakikita during car meet. Solid.
Sige na lang ulit.
Sir, thank you.
Ay sir, thank you sir ha.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir, Facebook.
Yanzi.
Yanzi.
Yanzi Mosaga.
Sir, saan kotse mo?
Wala.
Wala pa.
Passenger princess lang.
Alright. Alright, guys. Ayun, kausap natin si sir. Mamaya, balikan natin yan. So dito muna tayo. Ito puro grabe. Tapos ang maganda dito, puro well arranged yung mga auto. So you have the Civics here, different Civics. Okay, so SIR. So another SIR. Galing. So the organizer, so sobrang solid talaga. Yun, meron pa doon. Mamaya, ikot tayo. Of course, merong iba-ibang klase. Wow, nice. Very nice. Hi. Okay, may Toyota 86. Hi, sir. Guys, may EGU. So these are the cars na nakikita na natin on a regular basis. Pero yun nga lang, it's a different venue. So dun sa mga friends natin in the United States, this is how car meet here in the Philippines looks like. So if you come visit here, if you are a car guy, or if you love cars, if you love cars, ito yung ganito na yung itsura ngayon dito sa Philippines. Sobrang solid na ng build, different builds from JDM, from basta iba-iba. May mga naka-Airsus of course, katulad nito, the DRZ. Diba? Pa, may mga dumarating pa. Guys, air out ni Sir Erwin. Of course, may mga... Hi, sir! Yan, oh. Ano naman yan? Grabe, nalilito-lito na ako kung saan ako tatapat eh. Hello, sir. Di ba alam saan ako tatapat? Sobrang gaganda ng auto, oh. Ay, sir, ingat ha. Ingat, drive safe. Guys, shout out sa Broke Boys Club. Yes, sir. Sir, ingat. Ingat, sir. Guys, friends natin, oh. Mga media friends natin. Wala rin sin? Ayun, tama. Sir, nice meeting you. Eto, suki. Ingat. Okay. Sunburst yellow. Okay, guys, welcome dito lahat from off-road, from 4x, from SUV, pickup, kotse, you name it, lahat pwede. Diba? Very nice. Check out this BMW. So dito, this is from different builds. If you're a lady driver, if you're not, basta any build is welcome from lahat ng klaseng kotse. Lahat ng klaseng build pwede. And of course, Brio, may GSR pa. Oh, this is one of the cars legend during the 90s. It's a Lancer GSR. It's a two-door. Plaka natin. Ganda ng Fortuner, oh. Of course, shout out kay Sir Carl. All hail South. South Sea Media. Solid. La Familia. Solid event, grabe. Solid. Yes. Guys, salamat. Guys, support nyo, kid. Sir B-Boy, salamat. Sir. Guys, wow. Ganda nito. Very nice. Guys, sobrang solid. You guys thought that we're in Japan? Pero we're not. We're here at the basement of Ayala Mall, Manila Bay. Parang nasa Japan, di ba? Solid. Let's check out 3 days. PH. Guys, check this out. Sige. Sobrang kulit, guys, nitong sasakyan na to. Okay pa. Sir, sobrang solid ng auto mo. Alright guys, Jumps TV Media, we're leaving Northside dahil tapos na yung event. Thank you very much kay Sir Dren dun sa the whole team. Sobrang thank you for inviting us, and it's really an honor to be part of this. I believe, sabi ni Sir Dren kanina, it's their first meeting dito sa Manila. Kasi taga Bulacan sila from Northside, and congratulations to a very successful event and very well attended with so many beautiful cars like this. Itong SUV na to, sobrang ganda. Of course, this Euro 2, of course yung FD na yun. Sobrang solid yung event. Thank you very much, Jumps TV Media, here at the basement of Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Thank you very much. Have a great day. God bless. Maraming salamat. Guys, special shout out to Kiki, Sir Ryan. Sir Ryan.
How you been, man?
If you need BMWs and Mercedes-Benz parts, check out West Bay.
Yeah.
Let him know. Thank you.
This episode is brought to you by Cool Man Essentials.